This is absolutely incredible. It's like we've stepped back in time. Oh my god, this is amazing. It looks like both ways we have to go this way. I think. I don't actually know. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Pembrokeshire adventure. Today Hannah and I have come to
Ffynone Wells.
Ffynone what?
Is it Wells? No.
Ffynone.
Why did I say that? Ffynone Falls, I think.
We've come to Ffynone Falls to try and find a waterfall.
I don't know if you can see, but we found this tree that's got loads of branches and leaves on one side, but absolutely nothing on the other side. It looks like someone's just drawn in half a tree and forgot to put the other half in. We're off to a good start. We just walked back up the way we came on accident, so we just did a hill for nothing, which is always fun, but it's pretty though.
It's a shame that the pubs aren't open because this looks awesome. Got a little well and it's got a little community swap shop. So you bring something here and then take something you want. Hey Han, do you want the 50 Shades of Grey?
I think I prefer this stuff.
Maybe we should get a gas valve or a knitted doll. So we just found the shell house and wow, it's really eerily cool. So this is the shell house that was built around 1828 by Morgan Jones the Younger as a tribute to his uncle, who was also called Morgan Jones. It sort of became a ruin until 2004 where they redid it up. Apparently it's lavishly decorated in Gothic style with shells, coloured glass, stone and the knuckle bones of cows and sheep. The outside looks really pretty innocent, but the camera can't pick it up, but we've just taken a look inside and it is covered head to toe with seashells and cow knuckles.
I'm too scared to look inside.
It's really creepy.
I was too scared to look inside the glass windows for ages, and then I just did it, and all you can see is like dark walls made out of like shells and things, and then there's just this owl in the middle, and we just, you know when you stare at something for too long you don't know if it's real or if it's fake, and it just freaked me out, so yeah, we're leaving now.
So we just stopped off at Cadw, and this may be the most extravagant church I have ever seen. We've seen a lot of abandoned cottages and buildings today. This one might be the coolest with a staircase leading up. This is absolutely incredible. It's like we've stepped back in time, or into another world in fact, to, I don't know, the realm of the fairies or something. Oh my god, this is amazing. So we come to the upper slopes of Ffynone waterfall because there's less people around. Turns out it's very popular among the locals because you can go swimming at the bottom of the sort of the final waterfall. The final waterfall has this pool that is so deep that is supposed to lead into the otherworldly realm of Annwn, which sounds really cool. We met this lady who was wild swimming in the pool, and she just looked so at peace.
She was having the most amazing, like, mindful time. I wanted to go in too. It was half time to just strip off and just jump in. But apparently it was freezing and I can't do very well in the cold, so.
So on our way back from driving from the waterfall, we saw one of those brown heritage signs to Pentre Ifan, which is a Neolithic burial chamber, which is very famous, so I thought we'd come and check it out quickly on the way back. This is honestly just incredible. It's just attached by the rocks themselves. Oh my god. Awesome. It's a bit cold, isn't it?
Trying to shelter from the wind.
That was very cold. Might have been the coldest I've been in my life.
It was so cold. It looks so sunny though.
But that was awesome. Seeing this Neolithic burial mound. Amazing.